How to watch blocked YouTube videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnad, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch the blocked YouTube videos. Now the YouTube video might be blocked due to certain reasons. Either it's not available in your region or the publisher hasn't made it available in your region. Now either ways, how you can watch it, right? You can easily use VPN. You can simply head into your Play Store and search in for VPN, download any VPN that you wish to use, that you find comfortable using, and then download it. I'll recommend you either the Turbo VPN or any of these top 3 which is rated above 4.2. So you can go ahead and download it. You can set up a VPN connection, and once you have set up your VPN connection, you can go ahead and browse the blocked YouTube video. However, make sure to connect to the reason where the particular video that you are unable to watch is unblocked. So you can switch in different regions and see where the video is unblocked. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.